A wave of tension has gripped the Rahimpur area under the jurisdiction of Kalamchaura Police Station after a Mahindra XUV-500 was completely gutted in a suspected case of arson late Wednesday night. The vehicle, owned by a local resident identified as Mahidul, was parked in front of his house as usual. According to the owner, he had retired for the night when a sudden loud explosion jolted him awake. Upon rushing outside, Mahidul discovered his luxury SUV engulfed in massive flames. Pure report, Chini Khorang.